Excuse me, come back. It's not finished yet. Come back. Yeah? Come back, I can see you. Okay, it's live, I can see you, I can hear you, okay? Don't leave me. Don't be like my parents. Okay, for real, I'm gonna go up. When my second foot will touch this board, I want everybody to make a lot of noise. I can see you're an amazing crowd because you're here with me, with the rain, with really bad weather, but you're here still watching this thing, okay? I want it to be loud. If you give me a little bit of your energy, I will give you the best finale I can. So when my second foot will touch this board, everybody make noise, okay? Let's do it. 1, 2. Oh my God! Yeah! Craig, could you come a little bit closer? Yeah, closer, closer. Give me one to my right hand. Second one to the left. And one more thing. Behind my suitcase there is a red thingy. Could you pick out one of the white cubes that are inside and hand it to me? Yeah, hand it to me. Perfect, thank you. Okay, go and stand close to the knives, okay? Perfect. Guys, this trick will work. Those two hula hoops will switch places. So let's try it. Okay. Let's do it for real. One will go under my right leg. When it goes under my right leg, everybody go, ooh. Let's try it. Ooh. When the left go under, everybody go, ah. Ah. Okay, I think you know what to do. Let's try it. One under the right leg. Ooh. Yeah, I know, right? It's not funny. Listen, now this is the hardest part. I'm gonna attempt to squeeze my entire body. Too late. I'm gonna attempt to squeeze my entire body through this. I'm gonna attempt to squeeze my entire body through this small hole. It will look more or less like 27 years ago. But it wasn't through the hula hoops. With 5 siblings, it looked like a clown car. You can laugh at those jokes because kids don't understand them. And if they do, it's your fault. Okay, let's do it. Head first through the hula hoops. It's a boy. No, wait, don't clap. Oh, kids, don't try this at home. Do it at school. No, don't clap yet. Not yet. When the second hook will be up, don't spare a thing, just freak out. Are you ready for the finale of the show? Yeah! And everybody scream yeah! Yeah!